Hello my dear friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. Today we are going to make this beautiful and elegant hair accessory, that is hair brooch. So I have already made some videos of hair accessory on my channel. I'll give its link either in the description below or in the I button. Do watch them later and try to make that accessories on your own because hair accessories are very trendy nowadays. Today we are going to make this simple yet beautiful hair accessory using hair brush. It is in multiple layers. So I hope that you will enjoy this tutorial and definitely try to make this brush at home. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing and innovative jewelry making techniques like this in the future. And now let's get started.
So the material required to make this brooch is this jardosi, then any designer oxidized beads, 30 gauge wire and cutter. So first of all, we'll cut this jardosi in small parts. So I'll match this end and we're going to take this much part as per our base. So I'll quickly cut the other parts and we need a lot of them. So I have cutted this jardosi in small parts and you can see we need lots of them. Now we'll take this 30 gauge wire and we'll cut it in 4 parts because this is a necklace with 6 to 7 layers. So I have already cut some 3 wires and now we are going to cut the 4th one with this size. So you can see this is approx 1 meter. So we'll cut it here and match the size. So I'll cut this. I'll keep it aside. Now I'll match the ends of this both wire, all the 4 wires, and we'll again match the end to this side. And here we'll find the mid, and we are going to wrap this. This is because we need some space to insert a hairpin in this. So in this hole you can easily insert a hairpin. Now we are going to add this jardosi and these beads in all of them. So one by one I will add first one jardosi quickly. So here is one.
If you are new here, do subscribe to my channel and make sure to like, share and comment to this video.
I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, not likely. I'll be taking shots, yeah.
So you can see I have added this jardosi in all of these ends, and now what we are going to do is we will match. We will check if there is no space left between this loop and this jardosi because the wire should not be visible. And now we will wrap them together and we will form a puff like pattern. So I'll wrap these wires and herein I'll make a puff like pattern. Done. So now we'll insert. I'll cut this one. Now we'll insert this one oxidized bead. So oxidized beads comes in varieties of size and form, so it's all up to you that you have to choose the one. You have to insert all of these wires in this one bead. So I have inserted this bead, and again I'll make a wrap here, or you can also choose not to make a wrap, because I think this is looking pretty. We will adjust this later. Now again I'm going to add I'm going to repeat the same process, that is I'll add 8 jardoshi beads and then 1 lock bead. So I'll quickly do till this end and I'll come back to you. So I just made this one, and at the end I made a round like this for inserting a hairpin here. So you can see we have to use, with the help of plier, we have to make this. We have to make a strong round and make sure to have a puff like pattern like this. So with this a beautiful brooch is ready.
If you like this tutorial, do like to the video. Do subscribe to my channel to watch amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.